This is Team ShardLight and our app is called Fragments of Eternity. It's an educational adventure game where players help legendary thinkers complete their unfinished work and learn from them. Check the pitch video for more detail. When you enter the game, your character wakes up in a mysterious world. You explore different realms based on historical figures, and in each quest you solve challenges, finding clues, assembling machines, or using lenses to uncover other realms. As you complete quests, you collect shards, each representing a part of your character's life essence. Collecting a certain amount brings your character back to life, symbolizing the power of knowledge. We've added interactive elements, an inventory system, and visual effects to make the experience immersive. We use GDevelop, a no-code game engine, but pushed its capabilities with logic-based puzzles and custom variables. For example, in Ada Lovelace's quest, players decode binary that spells a hidden word. We track player input using scene variables and check correctness through event triggers. We also designed a lens mechanic, like thermal or biometric filters, by toggling visual layers and also using animation conditions. Creating these taught me about logic chains, visual layering, and conditional rendering in game design. I've playtested with my family and friends, sharing it on a group for students online with a feedback form and the game link. Around 10 or 11 people have shared, 6 in the forum. Many found the early version a bit unappealing in the sense there was no narration with the dialogues and not interactive enough. So we added voice effects, better sprites, and even some effects. The feedback really helped us improve, and also plan for future editions. Right now there are still some glitches, and people would love to see more quests and interactions. I plan to introduce new storylines and with thinkers from many different eras and areas, some even collaborating. We also want to add offline access and multiple language options to reach more students globally. In the long term, we hope teachers can customize quests, for example, choosing scientists they need for, their curriculum. And to ensure these quests are made with as many scientists as possible and definitely part of the teaching journey. To make learning more personal and collaborative, I want to add AI-based features so that we can expand scientists exponentially and even add multiplayer. I hope to publish the game even if we work on the App Store to reach more people, and work on these ideas even after Technovation. Thank you!